To get waves from a bald head using Gojo products, day 87. Oh yeah, it's time to get the GOAT taper. Oh, taper? GOAT taper, what? Yeah, I said the GOAT taper, man. We have to go with something new. Y'all know we have to go with something new. Y'all know how we do, PB gang. I told Twist, man, hey, we got to come up with something new, bro. I mean, we had the GOAT fade, man. Yeah, we invented the GOAT fade, man. Now it's time to go with something new with these 720s. So I said, hey, let's invent something new. Still have not gotten a full haircut, man. Wow, can you believe that? I've not gotten a full haircut yet, man. It's crazy, right? I had to think to myself, because all you guys telling me, like, man, look, bro, how are you woofing this long, man? You have not even, since the scalp, you haven't got a haircut, bro. It's crazy how you just woofing like that and you haven't got a haircut and you progressing. It's crazy. So imagine when I get a haircut. But anyways, man, we doing this GOAT taper, man. I told Twist, man, hey, look. Hook me up with something a little different, bro. We gonna this time around, we gonna go with a little something different. Y'all know we had the GOAT fade. You know what I'm saying? We invented that. Now it's time to go with the GOAT taper. So Twist doing this thing, man. He working his magic, man. What the GOAT taper is pretty much, man, look, it's a mid taper. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to go a little higher on it, man, to make it more cleaner. Plus, to make your tapers last longer, bro. Like, last longer and it stay cleaner. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of cleaner, though, because you're going a little higher. And to me, higher tapers are more cleaner, man. Like, the lower ones is cool, but they don't last long, bro. So, the longer it lasts, I feel like the cleaner it will be. I don't know. That's just me, man. So, anyways, man, that's what we going to do. So that's what he doing, man. Y'all saw he did the right side already. Now we on the left side. You know, doing that comb magic, man, with that comb over with the, you know what I mean, whatever it's called, with the scissor, with the comb. I don't know what it's called, bro, but hey, that barber talk, man, he doing his thing, bro. Twist doing his thing. And as y'all can see, man, I do not mind. I don't care, bro. I do not mind enhancements, bro. Like, I love enhancements. That's just me. But you know what I'm saying? Like, this is my head, you know what I'm saying? No, Diddy. I can do what I want to do with my head. You know what I'm saying? That's what I want. That's what I do. You know what I mean? So, I let Twist do his thing, bro. That's all he doing is doing what I want him to do, as he should, as a barber. You feel me? So, he not just doing what he want to do on my head, bro. He asking me, you know what I'm saying? You think we should do this? We plan together. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing about him. Like, Twist, like, you need a barber like that. Y'all gonna plan together. He not gonna just do whatever. You gonna be quiet. He gonna be working on you. Bro, your barber gonna do what he should do, whatever you want him to do. You know what I'm saying? And that's just what it is. But anyways, man, we get in the back. Y'all can see, man, we went a little higher on the back, bro. I told him to trim it down a little bit. So we still didn't get a cut, but I did tell him to trim it down right there with a foreguard, man. So we trimming it down a little bit. You know what I'm saying, on the sides and all that, bro. That's what I said, man, hey, we gonna invent something else, bro. This is the GOAT taper. You feel me? It's the GOAT taper, bro. So what that is pretty much mid taper on the sides and mid taper on behind your ear too. So I can't even imagine how it's gonna look when we get a full haircut. This is just a shape up mid taper. Imagine a whole full haircut. Wow. You know what I'm saying? GOAT taper. So it's crazy, man. So I just told him what I wanted. That's what he doing. So man, hey, I'm excited about this though, bro, because my progress is looking pretty good, man. And it's a long time coming, dog. Is it a long time coming? Hell no. It's only 87 days. Is it? Wow. I'm ecstatic, bro, about this. Look at this, man. Check it out. Man. We got the white chalk on the side. Y'all see, I told you he went a little higher, though. I told him, man, we gonna go a little higher, man, get a little more cleaner. So what y'all think about this, man? I'm open for I'm open for comments, man. I don't care, bro. Like, y'all can comment whatever y'all want to say, but I don't care. I just want to just comment, vote, all that right there. All right, below, y'all see it. So as y'all can see, man, he did everything separately. He did the sides, he tapered the sides, and then he lined up the sides and everything. Then he tapered the, actually he didn't even taper the middle. He just lined up the middle last, pretty much. And now he's doing the enhancements on there. He don't go too crazy on the enhancements, man. I don't like crazy enhancements, like a Picasso type enhancements, but I just like to, fill it in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? He doesn't push me back, nothing like that. So that's amazing too, and then we gotta hit the icing. We gotta do the icing on the cake. We gotta do the icing on the cake with that blade, bro. Blade work. It's time for that blade work, man. So that's what he's doing right now, man. And we finishing this off, man. But look, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you guys share it. Make sure you guys like. Make sure you guys follow, man. I know we're going to get a lot of new people watching it. These are the results right here. What y'all think about the results? Comment below. Let's see. Let me know, bro. I think it's fire. Look at that. Bro, the progress is amazing. The progress is amazing, bro. I got to talk about shit for a little bit. I can't even lie, man. But this right here is the ending cut, man. This is the results. This right here, man, is my new GOAT taper, man. So this is what I do. You know what I'm saying? This is what I'm getting from now on. Goat taper, man. What y'all think about it? Comment below. Let's get it. If you're great, they gonna hate. Ha! Yeah!